So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your image in Photoshop. So I've put my image in there. It's in the center of the frame. So I'm going to create a text layer. So go to T or type T on your keyboard and then click. It's going to allow you to add text. I'm using a super bold text. Impact is a really bold text that you can use. Type what you want to type. I'm going to type forest. So Forest. Okay, forest. So what I'm going to do now is move the text to the center of the frame. Control T to transform the text, and I'm going to increase the size of the text, make it nice and big, put it in the center. I like this. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, add it to the center, hit enter, and now your text is added. So now go to your layers, hit the image layer, put it above the text layer. Now the text is gone. Click Alt and click between both of these layers, and your image is now clipped into your font. Now you can move the image, and the image is behind the font. Now what we can do is click on the text layer, hit effects, go to bevel, which is a really fun effect that I like. So go to bevel. It is now going to create this three-dimensional feel to your text, which is super fun. And what you can do is you can increase the size of the bevel. We can decrease the size. I like it this way. Let's keep it like this. Okay, and there you go. Look at that nice cool three-dimensional font with the image behind it. I really love this effect, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.